Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna run some errands on the Caroma e-scooter, or whatever you call it, electric bicycle. Anyways, comments below, how would you call it? I guess scooter. And I'm gonna turn it on, basically just like a car, like a motorcycle. You have to turn it on, ignition, and go. This, and then remove, you need to remove actual kickstand, and let's go. It's very cool, and I prefer to ride this one for short. Wow, it's a very quick acceleration actually for this small mini scooter, I guess. It's go up to 20 miles, that's what they say, and that's what I tested, like 19. Very pleasant riding this scooter. It's a first you sit close to the very low basically, and it's very maneuverable, very nice, about 90 miles an hour, and come with a headlight and bell. That's it. And it's very budget, like very affordable. That's number one things I like about this one, that it's not really breaking the bank, because you can buy electric bicycle, it will have less battery, the speed would be about the same, some of them, but depend. But again, it's a scooter, no pedals, only pegs. Some people who want to ride, want just to ride like scooter, this one is probably the best gonna be, then unless you want to pedal it. Most people who buy electric bicycle right now, mini ones, they don't really pedal it. And I'm gonna ride the sidewalks. And if you think it's slow, it's actually not that slow, because if you're riding regular bicycle go about 10-15 miles on average. So this one 20, easy, without sweat. And I like it because I'm gonna take it to the different places. I have a bag between my legs over there, so I can always carry some stuff when I need it. So it's very good for running errands, or even go to school or anywhere to work. I should have similar one with less power on my channel soon, different color. If you want, comment below and guess which color I will have. They do have different colors like white, blue, yellow, and black, and I think gray. I think only, and they have 3 levels of power. And right now I think there's some discount on Amazon, so you might want to check link in description. If you're interested, there is a coupon available. So again, it's get a lot of attention because a mini, and I'm a big boy, like I'm in 5'11", but still it is fun to ride. Actually, there is a guy on the similar scooter like this one, I think, but white color. Yeah, looks like exactly the same. Let's wait and see. Yeah, I think it's Caroma as well. I don't see electric XP in my area that often, but over there, this guy looks like on Caroma. Exactly D, maybe 3, I don't know. It's hard to say because all of them look the same. This one is D3 model, then there's D2, this one I think, so less power. The more power you get, then it will be D3, I guess. Yeah, it's Caroma, white color. Never like so electric XP as often on the street, but yeah, looks like it's Caroma. And you see they're becoming popular. I don't see as often electric bicycles, and they say they sold a lot of them, but not that many people actually ride them. I see a lot of Jetson, Bolt, Hayes, but now I see Caroma. I saw 𝘺𝙗𝙗 in my area. I saw Hey Bike, and interesting, such coincidence, huh? So I'm gonna get to one place first, then I'll go to Trader Joe and see if anybody tell me anything. But I like it's a little bit underpowered, like, well, it's basically slowed down because it's a restricted speed. But I don't know, I didn't even try to make it faster other than pulling the throttle, brakes, and like different hiking technique, and so far nothing worked. So maybe I'll do later more, and it's very maneuverable, so it's very good even riding on the street. It's so fun. So again, I will make I think it will be not soon when I will try to look into make it faster. I might do that. I don't really need to, but it feels like it can go faster with original motor, just new controller maybe, and probably new display, because if you put new display you're gonna lose the key ignition most likely, because yeah, it's all connected in one piece. And I'm already here, just need to pick up something from pharmacy. But again, this bike is so cool. And here you go. All right, so I'll see you later, guys, in a moment. So I took this inside, and I can tell you that it takes a lot of, like, bring a lot of attention as mini bike, and it's fun to ride. So now I'm going to Trader Joe, and it's quicker than a car because you don't have to park really, you just go in and out. That's why I'm riding like this mini scooter around my neighborhood. Very cool. I don't know if you can hear me well. If not, I will do voiceover maybe. Maybe not. It's gonna go to another. Oh, okay. And I don't want to ride here on the street. I'm gonna go on sidewalk. Yeah, people say it's not good, but I prefer to ride sidewalks. Much safer in my area. No people here, almost on sidewalks. And I can do probably a shortcut, I don't know. I never been in the, well, I've been here, but I'll do just streets. More fun over here on the small streets. And oh, it's beautiful, about 75 degrees outside, warmer under the sun. Oh yeah, the dogs, they don't like bicycle scooter. Very quiet ride on this scooter, and I think it's remind me, I thought it's like goat bike, but actually it's more like a rave bicycle. I just have a rave bicycle reviewing right now, and it feels like it's a rave bicycle position, sitting position, which I like the most, very comfortable. So it's exactly the same, probably same position, but mini. Let's see how good on the bumps, going over the small bumps over here. Easy. It's supposed to be 15 miles an hour, but it's again, I think it can go easily 30 miles an hour to be safe on the street. I mean, the speed wise, because the solid frame, the wheels, just the size, and I think I'm just going around. I'm not really familiar on this side. Yeah, I'm just cruising, playing fun. Yeah, my wife thinking I went to the grocery store, but I'm just having fun here, and she's not watching my videos, so that's one of the fun part, to go to grocery store on the bicycle. She thinks I'm in grocery store, I'm just riding the bike. Funny. fun stuff. Sometimes you can go through. Let's see if we can honor this. No, and so I just go on the back to the larger street over here. And I can tell you, Trader Joe used to be very well with bicycle. I never have any problem before, so hopefully no problem with this time. It's kind of mini bike, they always compliment, but we'll see. Red Lobster. Oh, they're still open. I thought they're out of the business. Okay. They look good outside, but inside, like, not anymore. 𝗍𝗶𝗏. Who likes 𝗍𝗶𝗏? Used to go when I was in my 20s, but not anymore. I don't like that. I mean, I can eat it at home, but homemade food better. Anyways, it's a lot of cars on the parking lot, so I need to be very careful here. Nimble, huh? Trader Joe right here. A lot of people probably inside, but I'll just probably walk. Gonna turn it off. Easy. Move my phone. If there's somebody steals, so my phone with me. Need to get some bananas.
It's all the same. Like we have
some bananas. I didn't get the basket even. I just hold it. Chicken. All right, put my phone in. And that's it. Very easy. No nobody actually say anything, just a lot of stare people looking on this bike, on scooter. I guess it's much quicker. I just in and out, that's it. Much faster than car for me. I know the car can go faster, but then you have to park, you have to do this. So if you live like somewhere, for example, within a mile or two, you can ride this scooter easy, and the battery is still full. Actually, I don't know if the issue with the meter, but I rode about 9 miles on this bike, on the scooter, and it was still full charged. Again, if you're looking for mini transportation, micro transportation, or whatever you call it, I think it's a very good one. Some people I know, I have a big group with for 𝙤𝙤𝙤 bicycles. This one actually better because it comes with much larger battery. I think this battery is about twice as large. Also it's faster, and it comes with better tires, like off-road tires, also larger tires, and everything on this bike is so come with a key, so you cannot really ride the bike without key. So it's good safety feature. But I would probably consider to put some security alert, so if somebody touch it, you will like turn on the alert. Also I would put some air tags if you're planning to live somewhere, so people cannot really steal it from you, and you know where the bike is if it moves. But other than that, this bike is so much fun. I know I'm only going like 90 miles an hour, but maybe later on I'll work on this bike and make it fast. I don't know. I know a lot of people want to go faster, but right now the price they change. I noticed. Again, you might want to check the link in the description for Amazon, and if you buy from my link, you support my channel basically. It's gonna be the same price for you than going without my link, but you support my channel, so it motivates me to make more video, and hopefully I'll do change maybe controller. I need to check to see what kind of controller this bike comes with, because I have few controllers might fit, and I have few display, but we'll see. I need to see, but I have no time to do that. That's why I'm riding the scooter. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Buy one for you, okay? Or for your friend, because it's a nice gift for Christmas. Bye.